Today I'm gonna try and play as straight as I can. That's the game plan. Play as straight as I can today. Hopefully it works. All right, so we're back here at West Acres Bowl again for the city tournament team event. You can bowl multiple teams, so this time I'm bowling with my league team plus Ryan Barnes. So hopefully we can go out there, shoot a big number. It's probably gonna take 28 or 2,900 to win. I know we got some guys with a little bit of handicap. Holly's got a couple sticks, Ryan's got a couple sticks, and hopefully we can outstrike everyone else. And this feels like last week. We shot 962 game one without sticks. Ryan gets 11, which is absurd. And Holly gets, what did she get, like 13 or something? Holly gets like 13, 12, 13, something like that. So we shot 962 without sticks, which means we shot like 980. We gotta keep that up. We keep two more of those games and we're good. Two more of those. Holly and I both beat our average by 1. If we can keep doing that, we'll be fine. We need Will to step up. game 3, mid game 2. We need more strikes. Over under on house shot, not a good thing. What we shoot last game?
6-card blackjack.
880 last game. We gonna need some more strikes. 889. We're gonna need to pop 1,000 here. It's a must.
His highest card's a 6.
And it's not looking good. We're on pace. You guys shoot 300, we'll shoot 2-0. Alright. Easy game plan. I gotta step my game up. I shot like 220 last game. I'm gonna need to shoot like 240 minimum this game. Game 3 incoming. Time to strike. Strike for 800?
Yeah.
Strike for 8. Game on. It's too bad you didn't do this in the match. Yeah! Whoa! Hold on a second. Nice shot. Thank God. So a recap, Ryan can't do math, he didn't need the first one. Now he just needs 7. Nice shot. All right, well that caps it off for our team event. We shot like 2780, 27 something, high 27, low 28. We had a really good set thanks to Mr. 800 over here, Ryan. All pressure's on him for tomorrow to do it again for doubles. And if he doesn't, he's never gonna be my doubles partner again. But yeah, that was our team set. I came in with the game plan of throwing it really straight and hard, and then this pair didn't allow me to throw it straight and hard because they hooked so much in the middle of the lane. But that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow for doubles and singles.